today's vlog, we will visit itong place na pwede nyong pagstayan for a long term or even a short period of time dito sa may Mabalacat area.
Guys, this is GORA'S Haven, located po sa may Mabalacat Pampanga. If you wanna know about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so start natin ang ating tour dito sa may GORA'S Haven sa kanilang first level. So tara, come in. Actually, ang GORA'S Haven, dalawang unit siya if you will recognize pagpasok mo dito. So immediately, you will be greeted with the living room area. Ito yon, no? Napaka-cozy ng mga sofa natin. Interior design is actually parang modern, slick. Parang ganun siya, no guys? Dito rin sa living room area natin, meron tayong large screen TV, YouTube ready, tsaka Netflix ready na rin to. Great for entertainment. Now, dito rin sa section na to, located itong ating comfort room at saka yung laundry area. Ayan. So, yun. Dito yung laundry area natin. Of course, nothing too much, but kagandahan dito, available na yung washing machine if you're gonna stay here. So, puntahan natin yung kabilang section naman. Yung kabilang section is the dining area. So, yung dining area natin, capacity of 6 persons. Kagandahan din dito, lugar natin or property natin is fully furnished. If you're gonna stay here for 1 day, yung Airbnb type na hanggang 3 days, or up until long term, may mga furnitures at the same time, mga appliances na tayo na pwedeng gamitin. Of course, what is a place without the kitchen? So, here's the dirty kitchen. Ayan. Although, para sa akin, it is actually maintained well. It's clean. Napaka-ganda ng natin, finishing natin sa mga tiles. Now, moving over here, yan. Ito yung gas range natin. So, you can cook here. Kompleto yung mga natin dito. Mga cooking wares. Cabinets are here. Yan. So, just in case na magdala kayo ng mga sarili nyong gamit from your previous property or house, pwede natin lagay dito. So still dito sa first level, we have another toilet or comfort room available dito. Now this stairs goes to the second level, which is our main bedroom. So tara, panikan natin.
So, dito naman sa second floor, dito makikita yung kanilang mga bedrooms. So, meron silang dalawang klaseng bedrooms dito. Siyempre, unahin natin yung pinakamalaking bedroom nila. Ayan. So, dito sa master's bedroom nila, makikita natin dito, meron tayong mini sofa dito. Actually, this space is good for bonding ng family. Actually, napakalaki ng mga bedrooms nila dito. So, dito pwede ka magstay, pwede kayong magstay ng family, have time together. Meron din tayong dito, mini vanity area type. Meron tayong salamin. If you want to play with your makeup. Siyempre, nasa lubong sa atin dito yung kanilang king size bed. So dito siyempre, if you want to relax. Meron din dito tayong cabinet for our mga damit natin. Going to the next room natin, dito naman, a little bit smaller room for sa mga kids natin. So meron tayo ditong king size bed din. Meron tayong mini cabinet. At the same time, dito, meron din tayong open space and open closet. And we have enough space dito para din makapag-bonding tayo with our family or pag may mga bisita tayo with our friends. Napakalaki ng rooms natin. We have 2 rooms. This place is good for mga Airbnb type, for family. Even kung gusto nyo lang magstay dito sa may Pampanga.
Alright, so there you have it guys. If you are looking for these kinds of stays dito po sa Pampanga, GORA'S Haven is another place for your option.
Yes, especially kung kayo family or mga friends na gusto lang magstay or gusto lang mag-unwind, perfect place ito para sa inyo.
Guys, if you have an event happening din sa may Clark or dito sa may Mabalacat area, this is another option for you to have. Napakalaki nito. It can accommodate a large group, no?
Yes.
Ang lalaki ng mga rooms natin. So, rates tayo guys. For weekdays, Mondays to Thursday, it's only 2,500 pesos.
Yes.
And then Friday to Sunday naman is 3,000 pesos only. Napakamura nun guys.
In addition, para magka-idea yung mga viewers
Yes,
natin,
okay.
yung electricity is on top of yung mga babayaran natin.
Yun guys, for more information about that, check out the fan page we're gonna be including so that you may transact po yung mga details if you wanna stay here dito sa GORA'S Haven. So there you have it. If you like this place, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching Word Pampanga. Until our next story.